what's up, Sam here. Welcome to our yet another exciting Eleglide e-bike unboxing. And this time, I'm gonna introduce you the Eleglide Citycrosser. I was told that this bike was beautifully designed with super thin tire, which is super good for city road. And it has one feature that I haven't seen on other Eleglide e-bikes. That is the torque sensor, which makes your cycling easier and more effortless. So I just can't wait to unbox it. Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, that's the stuff you get right out of the box. Obviously, we have the cable and the charger and a bunch of other accessories. These are what you can get from the box. Now, let's install it. La la. Okay, that's the first step. Perfect. When the front wheel installed, make sure it's smooth, no obstacles in the way. If it's not smooth, you have to adjust the brake caliper a little bit, tweak a little bit, make sure it's smooth. Move to the next. Okay. So. All right, that's it. Okay. And now the pedal, and now the saddle. All right, that's it. I'm not gonna lie, it took me some time to install because of the rack, but it shouldn't be a problem for you. Maybe 30 minutes or so. Should be okay. Yeah, so I just cannot wait to take this on the road and just check out. You see this thin tire that's perfect for city roads, and also the LCD screen. Also the rack, the front rack is innovative though. Maybe what does it for? I mean, because you cannot put something here, right? But anyway, I'll find more later. And also you see the battery is removable, the saddle is adjustable, and the Shimano gear. Oh, it seems all good, and it's a lot of it. For more, please subscribe if you haven't, because we are going to do a very detailed review about it. So that's the video. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel. See you in the next one. Bye bye.